Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about low salt and insulin resistance, okay? I don't know if you realize this, but we need salt in our diet. It's a requirement. There are certain RDAs for sodium, which by the way, salt is composed of sodium and chloride. So if you take salt, you have 40% sodium and 60% chloride. So in other words, you need, if we talk about sodium, 2,300 milligrams every single day. So you would have to consume 1 teaspoon of salt to get enough sodium to meet your requirements, okay? So we need sodium. People are so freaked out about sodium, like, oh my gosh, it's gonna kill me, blah, blah, blah. It's gonna cause high blood pressure, but not significantly. But here's what you need to know. A low salt diet can worsen insulin resistance. A low potassium diet can worsen insulin resistance. And by the way, if you're salt sensitive, what that really means is you're potassium deficient. You don't need to lower your sodium. You need to increase your potassium, which will naturally bring the sodium down in the right ratios, because we need 4 times as much potassium as we do sodium, all right? But realize that when you're on a ketogenic diet or you're doing intermittent fasting, you need at least 1 teaspoon of salt to also improve insulin resistance, which will then help you handle the insulin, which is usually too high, creating the problem. People with high insulin typically get high blood pressure. So, and then the doctor says, well, you need to reduce the sodium. No, you don't. You need to fix insulin resistance and take more potassium, not lower your sodium below the requirements that you need, because low salt will worsen insulin resistance and keep your blood pressure from going down. And one more thing, always consume sea salt, not table salt. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to take a moment out to thank you for your amazing feedback that you guys are giving me. It's just mind-blowing. The successes, the wins. I created a link down below so you can actually type out your full success story. And if you have a before and after with weight loss, that would be awesome. And if you don't have a success with weight but other things, just put an image of yourself and your personal success story. And I would love to read it and also share it with others. So I want to just thank you in advance for doing that, but there's a link down below. Fill it out, and I can't wait to read it.